What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be testing out Adams Polish's Wash and Wax. We're going to test it out with an electric pressure washer, then we're going to turn around and hit it with the gas pressure washer. So we're going to test it with both just to see if there's a difference. Here's the electric pressure washer. It's a Blue Clean 1900 psi, 1.3 gallon per minute. So we're going to test out Wash and Wax. So let's get it started. So we have 3 ounces of Wash and Wax in the foam cannon. This is the PF22. So let's go ahead and hit it and see how it does. So it foams okay. But as you see, the more you spray on, the more foam that layers. It just waters up and just slides right down to the ground. Not ideal for those that just want to have fun with the foam cannons, but not terrible. Alright, so now we'll hit it with this Black Max pressure washer. It's a gas pressure washer, 2800 psi, 2.3 gallons per minute. So once again, 3 ounces of soap in the foam cannon. Let's see how it does. So you can see it's kind of the same. It's really runny. I do notice, like I said before, when I don't put a whole lot of foam layered on top of itself, it's initial foam that sticks. It does appear to be pretty decent foam, and then as soon as it gets a little bit too much on it, it's like the water just overpowers it and it just pulls it right off the surface. Now this is something good for a maintenance wash. The reason behind that is that drag, instead of it just foaming and sticking, is gonna actually pull some of that dirt off of the surface and straight down to the ground, which is ideally what you want. So all in all, for a maintenance wash, this would be a good product. As for somebody who just wants to have fun and wants that real thick, foamy suds, probably not the product for you. Leave that up to your discretion. Feel free to leave a comment. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and want to see more. Feel free to subscribe.